Hello everyone, I am Anuman and today we are solving a super beginner friendly problem, the lead code problem number 1342, number of steps to reduce a number to 0. This problem is great for understanding loops and conditions. So in this problem stated, we are given an integer num and rules are like if a number is even then divide by 2, and if number is odd then subtract by 1. So we need to count how many steps are required to make the number equal to 0. So basically the example 1 is showing that the number is 14 and the output is 6. So how, let's break down this. So 14 is an even number, so we divided by 2, then we obtained 7. Now 7 is an odd, so we subtracted 1, we obtained 6. Now we divided by 2 because 6 is even, and now again subtracted 1 became 2, and then 2 is even, so divided by 2 we obtain 1, and 1 is an odd, so we subtract by 1 and obtain at the last 0. So we took 6 steps to make the number 0. So the number of steps were 6, so we are giving the output as 6. So here is number 8, so we divided by 2 and obtained 4, again even. So until the number becomes 0 we are going to divide by 2, or if it is even number we are going to divide by 2, and if it is an odd number then we are going to subtract by 1. So this will continue until the number becomes 0. So if you understand the example, now we can move to the solution part, where we are using instead of division we can use a prefix, product and suffix. Sorry, instead of using so we are going to we repeatedly apply the operation until the number becomes 0. So even number shrinks faster using division. So let's move to the solution part, where we are going to declare int step equal to 0, and now a while loop in which num greater than 0. In this while loop we are checking and condition if nums modulus 2 equal 0, then num divided by 2. So if it is an even number we are going to divide it by 2, else if number, as it is an even number, so we are going to subtract by 1. And in the next we are going to increase the steps, and then at the end we are going to return a step. So if the number is even we are going to divide, and then we are increasing the value step, and if it is a odd number where we are going to decrease the value by 1 and increasing the steps. So both the conditions, one of this condition is going to run, and then we are incrementing the steps. So as the number becomes 0 the while loop is exited, and we are going to return the steps. So now we are going to run this solution first and then check if there is an error or not. So our all the 3 cases have been passed successfully. Now we are going to submit this solution and check the time and space complexity. So our solution has been submitted successfully, and the solution took 0 ms and beats 100%, and space complexity is also fine. So this was my solution for the LeetCode problem number 1342. So thank you for watching my video.